Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Join me as I challenge myself to set up 10 different income streams and see if I can really pave my way to financial freedom. It's not just about having a lot of money, it's about having the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're secure, no matter what life throws at you. Over the next few months, I'm going to be diving headfirst into 10 different side hustles and income streams, documenting the entire process, and sharing everything I learn along the way. Let's kick things off with dividend investing. Buy stocks in companies that pay out profits to shareholders regularly. It's like getting paid for owning a piece of a company. Invest in solid companies and reinvest dividends. The magic of compounding makes your money grow. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Build long-term wealth and achieve financial goals. Now, for our second income stream, we're diving into the world of online courses. This is one of the most exciting and potentially lucrative income streams out there right now. Everyone is an expert at something, whether it's cooking, photography, coding, or even something as niche as underwater basket weaving. There's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Creating and selling an online course is the perfect way to monetize your skills, share your knowledge with the world, and generate passive income for years to come. The best part? You only have to create the course once. After that, it's all about marketing and getting it in front of the right people. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, Podia, and Kajabi make it easier than ever to create, host, and sell your course. These platforms handle all the technical stuff, so you can focus on what you do best, teaching. If you've got valuable knowledge to share and you're looking for a way to create a sustainable, passive income stream, I highly recommend looking into creating an online course. Let's talk affiliate marketing, our third income stream, and one that's blowing up right now. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is about promoting products or services you love and earning a commission for every sale you drive through your unique referral link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products or deal with customer service. You're simply connecting your audience with awesome products or services that they're already looking for and getting paid for it. The key to successful affiliate marketing is authenticity. You need to genuinely believe in the products or services you're promoting, and your audience needs to see that. There are affiliate programs for almost every niche imaginable, from tech gadgets and beauty products to online courses and financial services. So if you're looking for a low-cost, flexible way to monetize your online presence, affiliate marketing is definitely worth exploring. For income stream number 4, we're tapping into the sharing economy with Airbnb. You don't need a mansion to make money on Airbnb. Rent out a spare room, guest house, or your entire apartment while traveling. Airbnb makes it easy to monetize your space. Most of us have extra space that sits empty. Why not put it to work and earn extra cash? Airbnb has safety measures to protect hosts and guests. Screen guests, set house rules, and require a security deposit. Hosting can be rewarding. Meet people from around the world and share your city. There's work involved, like cleaning and communicating, but the extra income and flexibility are worth it. So if you have extra space, give Airbnb a try. Alright, let's talk about income stream number 5, selling stock photos. With the rise of websites like Shutterstock, iStock Photo, and Adobe Stock, it's easier than ever to sell your photos online and earn passive income. Every website, blog post, and marketing campaign needs high-quality images. And that's where you come in. Stock photo websites are always looking for a wide variety of images, from everyday objects and landscapes to people and abstract concepts. The key is to focus on taking high-quality, well-lit photos that are in demand. Do some research on popular keywords and image categories and start shooting. The best part about selling stock photos is that it's a true passive income stream. Once you upload your photos to a stock photo website, they can continue to generate revenue for you for years to come. And the more photos you upload, the more potential you have to earn. For income stream number 6, we're diving headfirst into the world of app development. You don't necessarily need to be a coding whiz to bring your app idea to life. There are tons of resources available online that can teach you the basics of app development, and there are even platforms that allow you to create simple apps without writing a single line of code. Think about problems you face in your own life, or things you wish existed. Could you create an app to solve those problems or fill those gaps? App development is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and a lot of testing and iteration to create a successful app. But the potential rewards are huge. Just imagine creating the next viral app that millions of people download and use every day. Talk about passive income. Let's talk about REITs, a fantastic way to invest in real estate without the headaches of being a landlord. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. Invest in REITs to avoid dealing with tenants and maintenance. REITs distribute significant profits as dividends. Enjoy regular passive income. REITs offer diversification across sectors and locations. They're publicly traded and highly liquid. Buy and sell them like any other stock. Add real estate exposure without the hassle. Chapter 8. From Thoughts to Pages. Writing my first ebook and turning it into an audiobook. Everyone has a story to tell, knowledge to share, or a unique perspective that others can learn from. With the rise of self-publishing platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, it's easier than ever to get your writing out there. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? What problems have you solved in your own life that others might be struggling with? These are all potential ebook topics. You don't need to be a literary genius to write an ebook. You just need to be able to clearly and concisely communicate your ideas in a way that's engaging and informative. Once your ebook is written, the earning potential doesn't stop there. You can even turn your ebook into an audiobook and reach a whole new audience. Platforms like ACX, Audiobook Creation Exchange, make it easy to connect with narrators and get your ebook produced as an audiobook. Chapter 9. YouTube and Twitch. Will my content creation dreams come true? For income stream number 9, we're stepping in front of the camera and exploring the world of content creation with YouTube and Twitch. The competition is fierce, but there's always an audience for authentic, engaging, and valuable content. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? What makes you unique? These are all potential starting points for a successful YouTube channel or Twitch stream. The key is to find your niche, be yourself, and consistently create high-quality content that your audience will love. Building a successful YouTube channel or Twitch stream takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you're passionate about your content and you're willing to put in the work, the rewards can be huge. Imagine turning your passion into a full-time income and connecting with people from all over the world who share your interests. Chapter 10. Subscription service. Building a community and generating recurring income. Creating a subscription-based website or service is all about providing ongoing value to your audience and generating recurring revenue. Think about it. What are people willing to pay for on a monthly or annual basis? It could be access to exclusive content, a community forum, personalized coaching, software tools, or even physical products. The key is to identify a need or desire in your target market and create a subscription service that fulfills that need or desire better than anyone else. The subscription model is popular because it works. People are creatures of habit, and once they find a subscription service they love, they're likely to stick around for a long time. This creates a predictable and recurring revenue stream for you, which is incredibly valuable for any business. Plus, the subscription model allows you to build a deeper relationship with your customers. Because they're paying you on a regular basis, you have more incentive to provide them with amazing value and keep them engaged. Outro: Financial freedom. My 10 income stream journey begins. So there you have it. 10 potential income streams that could help you achieve financial freedom. Start by picking 1 or 2 that resonate with you and that you're genuinely excited about. Then focus on learning everything you can about those income streams and take action. Remember, knowledge without action is useless. In the upcoming videos, I'll be diving deeper into each of these income streams, sharing more success stories, and giving you actionable tips to get started. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Start small, stay consistent, and never give up on your dreams. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.